Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I have Larry's typewriter back in the shop because I shipped it back and it got damaged in shipping. I shipped it back in the same box that Federal Express sent it in. They were the ones who packed it in their own box with their own packing and charged for it. It arrived okay here at the shop. I repacked it the exact same way, sent it back to Tucson, and it got damaged bad. Well, I haven't fixed it yet, but he calls, on Saturday afternoon, "What's wrong? My carriage doesn't move." Well, sure enough, his carriage doesn't move. I'm trying to move it now with the button, and it's jammed, especially on this side. It's just jammed up. Oh, there we go. It's free here now. I got it free that far. I guess here it is jammed up pretty darn tight, and I don't think it even, okay, it does return, and space over here. So I got that. It wasn't even doing that. So I did some analysis already of this, and you can see the cover's bent in a little bit here, and it took a licking back here on the back, this corner. It's in that hard shell case, but it must have got dropped here somehow on his top or back or something here. This piece here, just not coming into focus very good here. Okay, that's rubbing. This piece is rubbing on the rail as it moves by. As it gets to this rail in here, this part is rubbing right there. It engages that. And so it's bent. I haven't tried to unbend it yet. I will. I just wanted to videotape this a little bit. Let me see if I can get this up. I'm not very happy about this. This machine, excellent shape when I left here. Okay, so yeah, this piece here is engaging the rail. Right, you can almost see it hop up right there, and if I force it, you can actually see the steel scraped off it right there. That's the scrape is just peeling the steel off, and this side does seem to be okay, although it wasn't when I first started. I must have got it a little better while I was trying to fix it. So I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to shut the video down and take the carriage off and see if I can get this to back in order. They did reship it in a much larger box. So the box they had before was a FedEx box just like this, and I had the hard shell in here like this, and I even had packing inside the hard shell. But the box they used was much smaller than this to start with. I'll have to get the measurements from it, but this time they put it in a larger box with more of this. That's not part of it. With more of this, they just use paper in there. They don't use anything else. They didn't wrap it. It's not wrapped in bubble wrap. And then paper is just paper. So FedEx, as far as I'm concerned, is responsible for this completely. Especially since they packed it at their place. And I just want to take a video to show that is where we're at. And the serial number on this machine is documented on my receipt too, is right here of 3104590. Alright, Dwayne Jensen, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.